Hi, my name is Rotas, and today we will see the basic fundamental of inode number. We will see everything by interactive demo. So first of all, we will come on the definition. What is an inode number? So basically, in every Linux file system, either it ext3 or ext4, having their own metadata means whatever file or directory we are creating into that file system, they will take a index number, and that particular index number we are calling as inode number. Just start. So I'm here one directory. So just a second. I'm here having a file system that name is tempfs. In this file system, I'm having 201 MB space. And if I'm going to show you how many inode number I'm having, so in this file system, I'm having 250k total inodes number. It means in this file system, I can create only 250k files. So if still, like, if the space is seems less in this file system, but sometime in case of production we having a lot of space, but we are having limited number of inode number. So basically once we reach that inode number, you can say that once you put that you can use whole inode number, you cannot create any file into that particular file system. Just for more understanding, here one file is there. I created this file and we are going to check that inode number for this file. I check here this particular file that is part of this file system having this indexing number, or you can say inode number. So what information inode number providing? They are providing this kind of information like indexing number, the level of permission, UID, GUID when it created, soft link, hard link, that kind of information we will get from the inode number. So what is the benefit of inode number? Suppose if I'm having the inode number of this particular file, that I'm showing you how is it unique. And now I will create another file, some test, similar kind of test py something, and I created another file, test something dot something, like each file having their own inode number. Now I'm going to search this file with the help of inum means inode number. 501. So what I will getting the same file that I created and the particular indexing number. So now come on another important aspect. What will happen if I rename or copying that file? Just run it cp test.py into test2.py. What will happen now? Just check that ls-il test2. So I know number get changed from this file to this file. Let's move it from test2.py to test3.py and check that inode number of that renamed file. I got the same inode number. It means if we are going to copying that particular file, that is going to change their inode number. Now come again another important aspect of inode. So I'm having total inode number in this file system 250k. So what production issue we are getting related to inode? Sometime in case of production, we limited the inode tables, and after that we are not able to create any file, and still we are having space in the file system. So just understand by this another small demo. Here I created a script test3.py file. This particular script going to create a 20,000 file into it. It means I'm going to use 250k inode number to 20,000 inode number by creating that files. So let's start Python, like this script into the Python. So test3.py, it created that 20,000 file. So if I run here again the same command that I ran above, that giving 250k inode number, and 250k inode number free. Now the same command giving me the inode number free 230k. It means I used 20k inode number from this particular file system. So that kind of issue we are getting into the production. That time what we have to do, we have to delete all unused file, so we can uh, retry our inode number and make file system working. So now again, if I run the command for inode, that is IH, and I got the 250k, again the same number that we started. Like this is big file system, I don't think so we will get again that number. So now that is our demo, that we took about what inode number, how I what kind of information we are getting from inode number, what will happen with if we are going to migrate the file, or we can copy the file or rename the file, and what is the importance of in case of production. Like if we reach that inode number limitation, we cannot able to create any file or any directory in that file system. We have to remove unused file to make that inode number available for file system. All right, we will come again with another important or interesting topic.